Today it's raining, man. Hallelujah. Good morning, coffee lovers. Today is day 5 of living in Tokyo for 30 days as a digital nomad. Yesterday I was in Shibuya. I found a nice co-working that has a view of the crossing and also met a friend to hang out at night. But today is one of the first challenges of the whole series. I ask you where you want me to work, and the poll ended for me to go into a robot cafe. Here's the issue though. In Japan, you need reservation for most of the places to get a spot. So I'm gonna try to go to the robot cafe first at 11 a.m. and see if they allow me to go. If not, we're gonna show you the Capybara cafe. Thank you for voting. Let's go for coffee. All right, I found a coffee shop. It's called Dawn Avatar Robot Cafe. And I arrived at 11 a.m. Let's see, they allow me to be the first. Right, I was able to get in. I'm just waiting for my table. So I got the challenge. I'm gonna show you a robot cafe.
Hello, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Latte. Nice to meet you.
It's a nice day. It's raining outside. Cute. Okay, so Orihime is the name of the robot that can be found in various places in the store, and we call the staff operating Orihime pilot. So yeah, literally someone is controlling the robot remotely, and I should say hi to Yopon. Wow, this is so cool. Nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Rivers. I am in Nagasaki Prefecture, 1,000 kilometers west of Tokyo.
1,000 kilometers.
1,000, yes.
Wow, close to Fukuoka.
Yes. Fukuoka is in Kyushu too. Oh, you know well.
I'm going to Fukuoka next month. Oh wait, she's bringing me the coffee. Wait a second, please. Hello, Japan. Oh, you got me the coffee. Thank you, Japan. Let me take a selfie. Here. Okay, 1, 2. I really like that you are able to work too, no?
Oh, yes. I have multiple sclerosis. I can't move my legs, so I get right on a wheelchair, usually. People are working with serious disease.
Do you get to meet your staff, like other people working?
Yes, I went there, the cafe, Dawn.
Oh, that's really great.
I could talk to staff and other pilots, people who are controlling this robot Orihime.
Coffee's good. Ooh, I got the blend coffee. Oh wow, the sandwich is good too. There's a flavor on this sandwich. I don't even know why I ordered. It's called yakiruku something sandwich, but the sauce is good. So she's giving orders to her. This is so cool. And now she's working. This is so cool. I love that she's trying to navigate, but I don't know. I guess she has like a 360 view, and so she's like driving slowly. But this is awesome, to be honest. She made it to the spot. It takes a while to get there, but this is awesome. But at the end, the whole challenge is that I'm supposed to be working as well. So I'm gonna open my laptop just a little bit and try to work. I mean, it's not crowded in the morning, which is great, but I figure if this place crowded, it's not a good place just to come to work every day, you know? There's also a remote barista that can make a coffee, but it's only at certain days. Oh, such a cool concept as well. I never done this before, and it's so cool that they're trying to help people that cannot like physically be somewhere. I guess this is part of the digital nomad thing, you know, like using technology for our advantage.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming today. So please take your candy from.
Okay, I'll take a candy. Oh, nice. Okay. Yes, thank you. Matane.
Matane. Arigatou gozaimasu. Matane.
Hello. Yes. Okay, so I know that you guys bought it only for the robot cafe, but here's the thing. When I did the poll, I actually found a reservation for the Capybara, and I booked it, and I said, why not? I tried the robot and then the Capybara. It's interesting, like they look like they're trying to take care of them. There's space for them, and it's very small reservations, just a few people every day. I have half an hour to enjoy my coffee and see the capybaras. But yeah, if it's ethical or not, that's a whole debate. Also, now it's time to reply some of your comments. Agaske says, this series is perfect time for us. We're going to be in Tokyo for most of October. Well, this is the idea. I want to help you figure out how to live in Tokyo, so thank you for watching. So Marvin asks, how the locals reacting to you vlogging in public? This is an interesting question because in Japan, if you're walking around, nobody cares. There's some people looking here and there, but the only issues that I had so far is when I'm in a restaurant or a coffee shop. They do care if I'm recording this random people. They ask me, hey, please just record yourself. I try not to show the other ones. That's very interesting. Maybe it's a Japanese thing. Loving these daily videos. Sleepy, 2 happy days. Thank you as well. It's a lot of work, but thank you for being here. And Gonzalo says, FOMO's getting worse. What is your plan not to get obese eating so much incredible Japanese food? Japan is a great place to walk, so I do my daily exercise every day. Anyway, that's it for the questions today. If you want your questions to be replied, just comment down below. Now, I know that I've been to a few coffee shops today, but there's another event that I signed up earlier, and this is run by the community of Dash Living, the apartment that I'm staying. It's a latte art workshop by the roastery Nosy Coffee. It's at 7 p.m. It's a bit late, to be honest, but let's try it out.
So we are, I think, one of few property company in Tokyo or in Japan that does this kind of event.
I never done a workshop for latte, so let's see how it is.
I think I was making flowers. I ended up making something inappropriate.
First of all, thank you for coming tonight. So, I'm Riko Shimoto. So I've been working here almost 12 years. So in the product phase, making the canvas, right? So put it on the, from after the making the canvas, cross spout to surface. So this is the product, right? Mm-hmm. Do you have any questions?
It looks very easy.
Yes.
Amazing. That's so bad. First one's not the best one. I had to try. We're gonna make something there.
It's a look
Oh,
like
abstract one. Okay.
yes, exactly.
I got too excited.
No worry.
What?
So he calls, so this is spider. So this is one. Okay, yours. Anyways, I'm so happy meeting you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Oh, here's the coffee ranking so far after trying these 3 places. Alright, that was a fun experience. First time trying latte art, and yeah, it's nice to see that Dash Living is doing some events for the community. So, but man, too much coffee. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep with too much coffee.